A mocha freeze. Next item. We got our Kirkland purified water. Also got this from Costco. Look at all that grease. That's disgusting.
Thursday, Pandora Jewel.
We got some sweet Korean barbecue.
That's probably also from Costco in one of those bags. That's from Costco. That's from the last time we went to Costco. That's the platter for today. What are we going to talk about? It's staining my teeth. Mom, do you have any chapstick?
Yeah, I do. I can edit the video.
Yeah.
I'll edit it.
And you can make a few editing clips.
I need to stop before you use it. I don't want this.
Was it good?
I need to show you guys the video.
That's acai berries are sour. That's why I was asking if you wanted a strawberry one instead.
Yeah, I know.
Acai berries are actually really, really good for you.
Okay, then I'll...
Look at that
Got all
pink.
the sugar in there, but can you bring it down?
Yeah.
Do you guys know about the James Charles tour? People pay $500 to see this.
The people in front seat paid $500.
Yeah. I mean, they got a goodie bag, and they met him, and they got first chance at merch, but I mean, I wouldn't pay $500 for that. Like, my favorite singers cost less than that, so...
Drop by Donnie, see what he's doing?
Yeah, let's go by Donnie.
Go by Donnie.
Donnie's my
We can
sister's
see
new
your lover.
boyfriend.
I got food in the car. If I did it, we would.
Oh, okay, guys. Another piece. Jerky is one of my favorite snacks. Look at that.
Oh, Carbon Band is the best. Listening to the most ugliest song ever. I hate Ariana Grande.
Like, her voice is good, but her songs don't match her voice.
Wake up with your girlfriend and just search up the lyrics.
Like, all her songs are about the same thing. And it
Like a
sucks.
breakup, like a bad
Yeah,
breakup. Like, what do you mean?
like breaking up or love. And it's so stupid.
We're almost home. I don't want to be though. We're having a fun mukbang.
That's the strawberry stuff. Ready?
We'll be home in like
Big scoop. Look at that.
Oh my
Whoa.
god.
Oh, that's totally not bad for you.
Want to listen to you guys.
Oh, yummy. I love car stuff. You might be in the inside of the bag.
Yeah. Who cares? Here. I'll take a bite for you. Pray for me.
they slip it with their tongue. They're like, I slip it like this, like a normal person does. Let's hope the neighbors don't know. They're not. We're about to go up the big hill. We're about to go up the hill. Oh my god, get your pizza so don't spill.
Let's go. Look at how
Look at
far it is.
I'm home. Oh. Should we bring the camera and just like walk around my house and like we're gonna hang out outside. But first
Oh, my eyes look good today.
look at that. Are you just gonna throw this away? Just throw this
Yeah, my
away.
stomach feels like it's gonna die and I'm gonna go diarrhea and I'll die.
This is such a beautiful camera setup. My dad's scared me.
Yeah, this is the best setup.
No, Dad, don't.
Hey, everybody get your trash out of the car and put it in the trash can in the park of the house.
Oh, Dad. Hi, Eleanor. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hey, buddy. I'm gonna throw this pizza away.
No hands.
With no hands? What do you mean? What do you mean? You lie. Will you be on? Karen, just hand me your plate. Hand me your plate. Gosh, you don't listen. Yeah, grab the drinks, please. I'm gonna leave my Kirkland water. Where's the trash cans at? I'm gonna go throw this away. It's literally almost summer and it's really hot out. And I got the worst. I'm gonna throw this away. Oh gosh. Don't throw the waters away. The waters are good.
Actually, I'll drink mine.
No, you don't have
Put
to.
these inside.
Yeah, we can put them in the fridge. Me and Isabella are gonna put our drinks in the fridge and then we'll be back. We're gonna go put our drinks in the fridge and then come back. Make sure to shut the door. That was a good car mukbang. That was my first car mukbang. What? What did you say? Funny edits. Oh yeah! Do you know how to do those? Where you like make the faces?
Kind of.
Sorry, we're talking about editing right now because she's gonna edit my video. Oh, you can edit.
Should we put these in the fridge too?
Yeah. Oh, I put the waters in the fridge. What the heck? It's fine. You're the one that has the most drink. I'll open the door. Oh, Max just got it.
Stop, move.
Yeah, move, dog. My cat's up in the room.
Okay.
Just still shut the door.
When are you making the steak? Whoa.
Dad, stop. What? This is literally the world's.
Can I have both of them?
This is kind of a cute bottle, but the most ugliest bottle at the same time. How do you even open this? What do you mean? What?
Yeah, I'm confused. Wait, can you grab both muffins so it's easier?
I'm bringing the sugar. Oh, this is too heavy. I'm trying to edit and it's like 11 right now. And I forgot to film an outro to my video. So like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.